Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where we'll look into how to edit a database in Bold BI. Once you create a data source, it will be listed under the Data Sources page in the grid view and will show the name, description, owner, last modified date, and data refresh status of each data source. You can edit the data source by clicking the kebab menu on the right and selecting Edit Data Source. It will redirect you to the Data Source Designer. You can edit the already created data source connector here. There are various options in the Data Source Designer to update databases. Here, I have my SQL database connection that is connected to the Employee Details table. You can edit the name and description of the data source here, if required. You have an option to join the table by simply dragging and dropping another table from the Table Explorer into the Table Design pane and selecting the unique field and clicking the Merge button. Click Update in the Data Preview grid to see the updated records. If you want to edit the join table further, you can directly open the Join Editor here and update your changes. You can also add an expression column if required. An expression column is a calculated measure that is a combination of data columns, operators, and built-in functions. You can create it by selecting the expression icon and creating new expressions in the editor. For example, I'm going to create a simple expression to get joining year as a separate column and then click Save. Then, I'll click Update in the Data Preview grid to see the updated expression column. Similarly, if you want to create more expressions, you can add them in the Expression Designer. Next, you can restrict the records by adding data filters using filters available here. For example, I'm going to view only the employees under the Marketing Department and click OK. You will have to click Update in the Data Preview grid to see the filtered records. Based on the data type of the field, parameters will differ in query filters. Also, if you would like to run custom SQL query, you can utilize the Code View option here and run your query. If you want to edit the data connection, you can click the Edit Connection option and reconnect with new credentials. You also have an option to rename the column, change column type, or show and hide the columns if required. Finally, click Save and Exit to save all your changes. In this video, we had a quick look at the options available to edit a database in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.